Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate WooCommerce with ReCharge. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. So most often it's going to be WordPress. If you're using WooCommerce on WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com and open up the official website. From here you can get started managing your WooCommerce store. If you have set up WooCommerce using your plugins, you're going to go and be able to find it right here at the left side of the screen. If not, you can set up your WooCommerce store using the plugins section and get started accessing all the plugins that you need. So once you've set up your store, now we can get started setting up and migrating to ReCharge if needed. And what we can do is follow the steps right here on the official ReCharge website. So migrate from WooCommerce, migrating your subscribers from WooCommerce to ReCharge is going to show you all the migration options and how you can get started with migrating. So go to the official website, find the article right here and click the migrate button. That's going to enable you to go ahead and fill out the form right here. And once you go ahead and fill it out, you can click the submit button. From there, you can go ahead and start proceeding with the steps to go ahead and migrate your store completely. And here you can read about all of it that you need to go ahead and fill out and all the info that you're going to need to be able to migrate your store. So as I just showed you, you can go to WordPress right here and go into your WooCommerce store, get all your API keys and all the info needed, then go back right here, start the migration, and that is how you can follow the steps and do so for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.